start out with the eyes, of course, as usual, because that's what I do. Going in with the Kisses palette, and I love the center of Petite shades, like a nice, very vibrant red. And I'm going to be applying it to the crease. Then I'm going to be going in with the black, and I'm going to be applying the black into the crease as well. But I'm not going to overpower it, because sometimes black can really overpower any eyeshadow color, no matter how often you use it and where you use it. It's got to be very, very gentle and light. Of course, we have to make sure that we blend out those harsh lines, because we don't want that as well. So after applying concealer, I'm going to set the concealer with a good setting powder so that it won't go all over the place once you apply the shadows. It will happen, so be kind of mindful every time you apply your concealer. Now I'm going to go in with the champagne color, and I'm going to be applying it all over to the lid. But not necessarily all over to the lid, but halfway. Actually in the center. Then I went into this LA Colors palette, and I'm going to be applying the blue, and it is so pretty, you guys. Look how nice and vibrant that blue is. I'm applying it to the inner corner and halfway. So I had to take off the put the tape back on, and now I'm going to be applying my liner because I love the little nice sharp edge that it gives once I apply the liner. After you apply liner and lashes, this will complete the look.